If your workshop works on Ford vehicles, you already know what FDRS is. You also know what it costs and how locked down that ecosystem can be. ForScan changes that. This is a full walkthrough of what it can do and why more and more professional Ford technicians are making the switch. ForScan is Ford-specific diagnostic software built specifically for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. It's not a generic OBD2 scanner. It reads the same module-level data that FDRS does, but without the dealer subscription wall. Right here in the configuration screen, you can already see basic module information, vehicle ID, hardware version, software version, pulled directly from the ECU. This is the module screen, every electronic control unit connected on this vehicle listed out. PCM, ABS, BCM, APIM, sync modules, ForScan sees all of them. For a technician, this is your first diagnostic checkpoint. You know immediately what's communicating and what isn't. On FDRS, this same view requires an active dealer subscription. Here, it's open. Fault code reading, and this is where ForScan separates itself from generic scanners. ForScan reads DTCs across all modules simultaneously, not just the powertrain. Body, chassis, network, HVAC, sync, everything in one scan. Each code comes with Ford-specific descriptions, not generic ISO definitions. That means less time cross-referencing service manuals and more time fixing the actual problem. This section is where ForScan really earns its place in a professional workshop, live data, and actual parameter values. You're looking at real-time PIDs pulled directly from Ford modules. Fuel trims, injector pulse width, transmission fluid temperature, torque converter, lockup status values that most aftermarket tools either can't access or label incorrectly on Ford platforms. For diagnostics on intermittent faults, misfires, transmission shudder, idle irregularities, this live data view is what lets you catch what a static fault code never will. This is the level of data depth that used to require FDRS and a dealer login. Module self-test, you can trigger active system tests directly from ForScan. This runs the module through its own internal diagnostic routine and returns results in real time. Useful for verifying repairs, checking actuator response, and confirming a module is functioning correctly after coding or programming. Again, this is functionality that mirrors what FDRS provides at the dealer level. Service functions, oil reset, brake bleed sequence, TPMS relearn, battery management system reset, steering angle calibration. These are the day-to-day procedures every Ford workshop runs. ForScan handles all of them, no separate service reset tool required, no dealer software subscription needed. This is arguably the most powerful feature ForScan offers, programming and as-built data. As-built is Ford's factory configuration data for every module on the vehicle. ForScan gives you direct read and write access to this data, meaning you can code modules, configure features, and restore factory parameters after a module replacement, enabling hidden features, retrofitting options, reconfiguring BCM settings. All of this is done here. This is the level of access that separates ForScan from every other third-party Ford tool on the market. And compared to FDRS, the workflow is faster, the interface is cleaner, and you don't need to be online through Ford's server to execute it. Final section, general settings and VCI connection configuration. ForScan works with a range of compatible VCI adapters. Setup is straightforward. Select your interface, configure the connection protocol, and you're ready. For workshops running multiple bays, ForScan can be installed on multiple machines with the same license, no per-device activation fees. We work with ForScan as part of our Ford Diagnostic support service. If your workshop handles Ford vehicles, we can help you get set up, walk you through the software, and provide remote technical support when you run into complex cases. Contact details are in the description. If this walkthrough was useful, like and subscribe for more diagnostic content. See you in the next one.